Technology is evolving faster than ever, and 2025 is about to bring us some jaw-dropping innovations. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 upcoming gadgets that are not only futuristic, but also practical, exciting, and real. From AI-powered assistants that fit in your pocket to rings smarter than your smartwatch, 2025 is unlocking a whole new world of tech. Gadget number 1, Humane AI Pin. First up, we have the Humane AI Pin, a screenless AI assistant you can wear on your shirt. It projects information onto your hand, responds to voice commands, and is designed to replace your smartphone. At least partially. Expected price $699. Expected release mid-2025. If this works well, it could redefine how we interact with technology. Gadget number 2. Next is the Rabbit R1. A pocket-sized AI device that can control your apps using natural language. Imagine saying, "Book me a cab to JFK," and it does it instantly by navigating your Uber app in the background. Launch expected. Late 2024, early 2025 price, around $199. Gadget 3. Samsung is rumored to launch its first rollable smartphone. Instead of folding, the screen literally rolls out to become a tablet. A teaser is expected at CES 2025 with release later next year. This could be the biggest step in smartphone design since the first foldables. Gadget 4. Elon Musk's Tesla bot, or Optimus, is no longer just a concept. Tesla has released actual footage of Optimus doing yoga, lifting boxes, and even folding clothes. Generation 2 is expected in late 2025 with limited production. Will we have robots doing our chores? Maybe sooner than you think. Gadget number 5. Apple Smart Ring. Finally, rumors of an Apple Smart Ring are getting serious. This wearable could track health metrics, control your iPhone or Vision Pro, and work as an authentication tool. Expected announcement, late 2025. With Apple's track record, this could become the next. So, which of these gadgets blew your mind the most? Tell us in the comments. And if you love staying ahead of the tech curve, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more upcoming gadget updates every week. See you in the next one.